See, the yoga practice must be done very, very carefully, because it creates lots of enthusiasm and energy inside us. And if we don't know how to contain it, then it could do slight damage to us also at times. That's why it should be taken up under such a person who strictly abide the discipline of life. So much happiness is generated out of the practice of yoga, and if in the end savasana is not practiced properly, then there will be great leakages during the day or in the life of individual. So this must be understood. Accurate practice is required, not just any movement. It will not be sufficient to have the requisite change for which you have devoted your time. So this is one very important lesson which one should understand. Thank you so much.